Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. This is your host Ratul. Guys, today I'm gonna show you a multi-featured NVDA add-on. I can say this is one of the best NVDA add-on in my life till now. Using this add-on, you can do multiple tasks, multiple things using NVDA. And you never believe that how much customize you can able to do in your NVDA using this add-on. Okay, so this add-on has plenty of features. So it is not possible to cover all the features in a single video. So today is our part 1 of this add-on. So part 2, part 3, maybe part 4, maybe another parts will also come depending on your interest and your needs. So don't forget to share this video with others and don't forget to share your opinion into the comment section. Also like these videos because this is one of the perfect add-on which you have to install. So without further delay, let's start. So guys, this add-on has many features as I said. Today I'm gonna show you how you can copy multiple items at a time. Okay, multiple items means, for example, here I have a text.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. Below that,
How are you?
how are you? Below that,
If you enjoy my content,
if you enjoy my content, below that,
please like the video and
please
share
like
with
the
others.
video and share with others. So below that,
Subscribe to this channel.
so these are 5 lines of text which I have written. Now I'm just giving you an example. Let's suppose you are creating some notes by visiting different websites, and let's suppose you are reading one article which has 10 paragraphs, for example. Now you are taking the notes and you read first paragraph, second paragraph, you copied them. Next you read and next you copied half of the 4th paragraph and complete 5th paragraph. Now when you copied this second time, your first item will be replaced with the replaced with the next item. Though you can find all them in your Windows clipboard, but they are not appended in the sense of they are not continuously copied. Okay, one copy there, I mean in clipboard you can see all of your copied items as a list, but you cannot continuously copying in the sense of, let's suppose, copy first and second paragraph, then read and copy, then 5th and 6th paragraph, then 9th paragraph. Okay, so this way you cannot copy, but using this NVDA add-on you can easily do this. For JAWS users you can easily do that. By default there's a feature. If you want I can discuss in another video, but today you can do this using this NVDA. Okay, let me show you first option. What option you have? For example, I want to copy
Hello guys.
hello guys,
If you enjoy my content,
this one, third sentence,
please like the video and subscribe to this channel.
and this sentence. Okay, so what I do, I just copy first one and open another notepad and paste, then copy the second one and paste, then copy the third one, then paste. So this is the only one option which I have, which I can able to do generally. But if you install this NVDA add-on, then you can achieve this. Okay, now come to this very important shortcuts things. To use this add-on we have one command key. Okay, I'm just trying to tell you everything in detail so that whenever I will make the next part it will not take so much time. Okay, so when you are using this add-on you have one command. Command means those who are using JAWS, you know there is a JAWS layer key, insert plus space bar. You need to press that, and then you can use the feature like volume of JAWS or screen curtain or others. So guys, here we also have the command or layer key you can consider as. So the default command key for this NVDA add-on is NVDA plus J, NVDA key plus J. When you press this, you can hear this sound. So this means it's activated, this means it's deactivated, which means the command is deactivated. So whatever shortcut you have to perform in this add-on, you need to use this command key first. Okay, so now let me show you how you can do that. Okay, before that, those who are interested to join our WordPress for Beginners course, which is going to start at the mid of the February in 2025, don't forget to join that course. The course link is available on our about page, so you can just go and you can just visit our courses page, and from there you can easily enroll. Also, we continuously sharing this on our official WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Those who are interested to join our discussion group of WhatsApp, don't forget to visit our contact us page from the website, and from there you can easily join. Okay, now let's suppose,
Hello guys.
so first I need to copy this, so let me select
H. Hello guys. Selected.
then I just use Ctrl C to copy.
Copy.
Good, very good. Now I am just reading.
How are you? Hello
How
guys.
are you? No,
Unselected.
I don't want to copy this.
If you enjoy my content,
No, this one I also don't want.
please like the video and share with
Yes,
others.
this one, this is I want, and
Subscribe to this
this is
channel.
I want.
Please like the video and share with others.
Or let's suppose,
If you enjoy my content,
so let's suppose if you enjoy my content, I want to copy this item. Okay, these things. So let me select.
If you enjoy my content, selected.
Now if I press Ctrl C, what happened? The previous one will be deleted. But if I press Command plus X, so it will be appended, which means it will be appended with the previous item. The item is copied and appended with the previous item. Let's see. I'm just copying. Pressing this.
Added.
See, it says added. So which means appended. Next, I'm just going down arrow.
Please like the video and share
No.
with us. Subscribe to this channel.
Okay, let's suppose I want to copy this one. Just I select.
S. Subscribe to this channel. Selected.
Now I just use the same key command. Command plus X.
Added.
Okay. Now I successfully copied. So I can easily paste. I can easily do whatever I want. Now let us check whether the things are copied or not. To check this, press Insert plus C.
Hello guys. If you enjoy my content, subscribe to this channel.
Okay. Just I'm deleting all these things
Hello
and
blank.
pasted whatever in the clipboard.
Paste. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Blank. If you enjoy my content,
See, how are you is gone.
blank. Subscribe to this channel.
And this, like the video or something like this, that is gone, because I don't want to copy those things. So this is the way I can copy multiple things at a time using the NVDA. Now it's time to reveal the add-on name. The add-on name is NVDA Global Extension Plugin. To download this add-on, you must join our Telegram channel, because there we have shared the NVDA add-on and pinned it. So check out the pinned message of NVDA Global Extension add-on, because we are going to make 2-3 videos, many videos about this add-on and discuss each of the feature of this add-on, because I really love this add-on, really like this add-on. Okay guys, so if you enjoy this content, like the video, share the video, and if you are new in this channel, subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more useful tips and tricks with screen readers. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.